Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix CapCut template not showing in TikTok. To fix the issue of CapCut template not showing in TikTok, you can try the following steps. First is you can update CapCut and TikTok. Go to the Play Store and in the top there's a search icon. Look out for the CapCut. If there's any available updates, tap on the update option and look out for the TikTok again and look out for the any available updates and simply update it and make sure the both apps are updated to the latest version from the respective app stores. Also, you can check for the compatibility, verify the CapCut templates you are trying to use and compatible with TikTok or not. You can also try reinstalling the CapCut and TikTok. What you have to do is simply uninstall the apps. If updating the apps does not resolve the issue, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling both CapCut and TikTok. This can help you solve any potential software glitches as well. And also check for the internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection while using the CapCut and TikTok. Poor connectivity can lead to the issues while downloading or accessing templates. You can also try restarting your device. Sometimes a simple restart of your device can resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the issue. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.